Billing errors can be frustrating, but resolving them quickly is essential for maintaining your account. Follow these steps to address any issues you may encounter with your Contentful billing. Step 1. Identify the error. Review your billing statement carefully to pinpoint the specific error. Look for discrepancies in charges, unexpected fees, or incorrect usage reports. Step 2. Gather documentation. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact support. Reach out to Contentful's customer support team through their official channels. Provide them with a detailed description of the billing error along with the documentation you gathered. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a timely response, follow up with the support team. Keep track of your communications and any reference numbers provided to ensure continuity in your case. Step 5. Review resolutions. Once the support team addresses your issue, review the resolution carefully. Ensure that any adjustments are reflected in your account and that you understand the changes made to avoid future errors. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing errors on Contentful and ensure your account remains in good standing.